Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and taking care of yourself and your family members, because in this situation health must be our first priority. Okay, so tomorrow is 14 May 2021 and here is tomorrow's to-do list. First I will do current affairs and then I will revise Feb 100 question and answer PDF of AffairsCloud. If you want to purchase AffairsCloud current affair course, I will give you link in description, and by using my code you can get 10% discount. Okay, then in English I will read editorial plus note down some vocabulary. Then I will solve English class PDF of Nimisha ma'am, and then I will revise my grammar notes. If you have not made any grammar notes, you can go for YouTube sessions of Nimisha ma'am. Okay. Then for maths, I will solve maths PDF of Guidely Bundle PDF course, because there is no need to solve any other PDF if you have Guidely PDF course, because they provide everything like speed practice questions, mixed arithmetic questions, and prelims level and mains level DIs also. So I solve one PDF of prelims plus mains daily. Okay, I will give you link in description of Guidely PDF course, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. For mains level caselet, I will give you link of a video and you can go for that video, because the level of the question in that video is very good. You can pause the video and solve the question, and then you can watch its solution. For reasoning, I will do 3 videos of 1000 puzzle series, and then I will solve mains PDF of Ankush Lamba sir's class. Then I will do banking awareness if I have time. So that's all for tomorrow. I have not included prelims level mock test. Okay, so thank you and take care.